What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back, my fellow shoppers, to another video. Today we're checking out this khaki colored sweatshirt. So come on, let's go ahead and let's put it on, my friends. Okay, let's do a little video magic. Here we go. Here we go. Ha! Love it. So guys, check this out. All right, so I take large. This is what it is. It's a large. Arm, the sleeves, they are nice. They fit perfectly, perfect size. It's tight, but it's not over tight. Pockets are nice. Nice and comfortable. Fits good on the shoulders. It's tight. It's a tight fit like I like it, but it's not too tight. Let's go ahead and check out the hoodie. So if we want to wear a hat with it, absolutely works with the hat. Let's try it with the hat forward now. Absolutely can wear the hoodie with the hat if you guys want. Without a hat. Nice and warm. So we got a little strand here we want to cut off. I like this a lot. Now, I'm a hat guy, so I got to put my hat on. No, I like this a lot. It is a very nice sweatshirt. I don't know what's going on, but lately I've been reviewing some clothing, and the clothing have been like knocking it out of the park. Like, these companies are stepping up their game. Definitely well made. I would say order true to your size. So if you're a large, whatever size you are, order that. Yeah. They're nice. It's nice. I like it. It is a nice sweatshirt. I'm a guy that loves camouflage and stuff related. So, as you guys can see, camouflage sweatshirt that we have. Brown cashmere sweatshirt, hoodie. Khaki definitely adds to it. This is actually my first khaki colored sweatshirt, and I'm digging it. I like it. Very nice.